purpose of the product credit request form is to generate data that will establish a baseline on the type, quantity, and the quality of the issues or defective product claims the company receives. This will drive our purchasing, improve our customer satisfaction, and also help the company get credits back from the growers and processors. Please understand that when you thoroughly complete this form, you are actively contributing to the growth and reputation of the product line, which will directly impact your store revenue. Thank you for your careful completion of this form. It will yield more reliable data for the company to use. This is Robert. He came into your dispensary to return a damaged product he purchased on March 11th, 2022. Okay, now let's walk through the steps to complete this product credit request form together. Once you access the link, you will be redirected to a landing page with the heading Submit a Request. Click the drop-down menu to choose the option Product Credit Request Form from the list. Then, complete all the required fields. Enter your email address, person submitting request. This is where you enter your full name. Just as a reminder, only managerial staff is authorized to submit a product credit request form. This includes assistant managers, general managers, inventory specialists, shift supervisors, pharmacists in charge, pharmacists and assistant pharmacy managers. These are the only ones allowed to process a claim and complete this form. Next, choose your state. From there, locate your store from the drop-down menu. Enter the original purchase date, which includes the day, the month, and the year. Remember, the claim must be submitted within 45 days of that purchase. Enter the date the patron has requested a credit, has been approved, and will be taken back to waste. Enter the patron's full name only if it's a recreational transaction. However, if the customer chooses not to disclose their name, and if it's a medical patient, type anonymous in lieu of their name. Next, you'll select the product type. For this example, we're going to be selecting vape cartridge pod from the drop-down menu. Now select the product brand for this claim. Scroll down until you see Other at the very end. The next field, you'll type in the name of the brand, Verano. Strain name, you'll also type in the name, Master Kush. Depending on the state you're in, your product might have a batch number or a lot number. Though this is an optional field, we do encourage you to enter this information if you have it available. The batch number for this product is 7711496096187629. The wholesale cost must be entered in order for credit to be received. Remember, this is not the retail price. Please enter the amount the company paid for the product from the grower or the processor. For this cartridge, we paid $20. For this example, it is 0.5 grams or 500 milligrams. Is physical product being returned? From the drop-down menu, select yes or no. Be sure to follow the state's guidelines when handling products being brought back to your dispensary. Reason for return. Choose an appropriate reason for the return from the drop-down menu. If one is not appropriate, choose Other. Type out your description in the box below. For this example, we're going to choose broken cartridge. The description box is a required field in order for the claim to be processed. Be as descriptive as possible to ensure we collect the best data and expedite getting the credit from the grower. Here is a draft for our broken cartridge example. It reads, upon exiting the building, the patron opened the box and realized it was leaking. The patron attempted to stop the leak, but the bottom part was not affixed properly. The product was defective and unusable beyond repair from the moment it was issued. Click this box to confirm that you understand the required fields are needed in order to process this credit request. Attachments. This field is optional. However, we encourage you to upload up to 5 pictures that showcase the damage if it's visible. In some states where the product cannot be brought back to the dispensary, you must request the patron to take pictures of the damage themselves and bring those in so that we can process the claim. You can either add files or drop files to upload your pictures. Once you are finished, you must click the Submit button. If you have left any required fields unanswered, you will get notifications in red indicating the fields cannot be left blank. Hi! Hopefully you found this video helpful. You may revisit this video at any time by logging back into Cultivate You and click the thumbnail right on your homepage. If you have any questions regarding this process, send your questions to the SOP Writer's email address displayed on the screen.